Okay, so in this video I will show you how to read the modbus address in the mod scan through serial communication. So this is the project I have created. So here I have assigned the address like MW0 and MW1. So these two data registers we will try to read in the mod scan. First I will log in. Okay, so here you can see the value of these two registers are 0. So I will run. Okay, so I will go to mod scan now. So in this we have to put the device ID and all. So I will tell you how to assign the device ID like while configuring the PLC. So next I will connect this. Okay, so I will make it as holding registers. So here also the value in the first register is 0. So I will change from here also I can able to change, or I can give from here. Like let me give the value like 256. Okay, so here I will give the value 348. So I will write the values. Okay, so the value is now 258 and 348. So I will check in this mod scan. So here also same value I'm getting. So we'll see how to configure now, like how to uh, configure the PLC and all. Okay, so I will go offline, and now I will create the new project here. So controller is 251 MESC, and name and all I'm not giving. Okay, so this is our new project, and first thing you have to do is you have to configure this serial line port. So just in serial line 1, so one a device will be added by default that you need to delete. Just select this. Okay, just select and delete this machine expert network manager. And in serial line, so this plus icon will come, just select on that, and you have to add this modbus manager. Select and add device, and just close this. So here this modbus manager is added. So just double click on this serial line. So the serial line parameters will appear here. So you don't need to change these things, but you have to change the things in this modbus manager. Just open the modbus manager. So here the transmission mode you have to make it as RTU, and make it as slave. So PLC will be the slave, and slave address we have to give. So you can give address from 1 to 247, any address you can give. For example, I will give 5. Okay, so that's it in this page. So RTU you have to select, and you have to select as a slave, and address you have to select. I will give 5. Okay, so after doing this, just save. So by doing this only, you can able to like access the modbus address through serial line, serial port. Okay, so I will write simple program, or I will assign some data registers, and we'll see whether the value is getting or not. So go to the serial, I will go to the project. So here I will take some variables star underscore 1. So this is for my MW0. This is the name, and here I will give the address like percentage MW0, and data type I will make it as word. So one more variable I will add, var2. So here I need to read uh, MW1. So here also I will give the word address MW1. So you can take how many variables you want. So if I want to read the variable, so I will take the variable number 10. If I want to read MW10 also, so I will give here like percentage MW10. Okay, so these three variables I'm going to read now. So after doing this, I will just log in. So it is going to show the error. Just select your CPU and again log in. So this program is downloading now. Okay, so program is loaded. So I will make it as run mode now. Here, start. Okay, so this is the page. So you can see the value in every registers are 0, right? So now I will go to mod scan. So I'm using mod scan 64-bit version, and this is also demo version. Okay, and here you need to configure the uh, connections here. So when I click on connect, first option it is showing the connect using which COM port. Okay, so here I have connected through serial. So my COM port is COM7. So I can show you in the device manager. So here, this is the COM7. This is our uh, serial connector which I have connected to the laptop. So COM7, and I can show you the connector also here. This is the connector. This is USB to RS485 connector. So when I remove that, COM7 is not showing. So now I will connect. So now this uh, driver is detecting, so it's in COM7. So I will tell you wiring of this also. So COM7 I have to select baud rate. This thing you have to select what you have given in your program. So here in your program, when you are configuring the modbus manager. Here the same thing you have to give the 19,200, parity will be even, data bits 8, stop bit will be 1. So here also you have to give same thing, 19,200, 8 bit, parity will be even, stop bit will be 1, and click on OK. And here you have to give the slave address what we have configured in our program here. So I have configured as a 5, so here also I will give 5. Okay, so now it is communicating. So if I want to read the registers, I can select holding register here. So now it is communicating. Okay, so this 40,001 is for MW0. Okay, so let me give some values in our program. So here I will give like 100. Okay, so 245 and 400. Okay, so I will write the values. So value move to the registers. So now we will check. So here you can see in 4001 the value is 100, 4002 it's 245, and if I go to the data register MW10, that will be in the 40,011, it is 400. Here you can see. So I can do I can read as well as I can write also here. So if I change the value in MW10, like instead of 400, I can give like 500 like this. When I give update, this value will be updated in my PLC also here. Okay, so any registers you can able to read here. So this you need to check. So number of poles what we are sending, whether we are getting the same poles, like continuously we are getting. If we are not getting the poles here, that means some maybe communication problem will be there. So now it is communicating properly. So this is about the program side. So I will tell you in the wiring and whatever the like cables I have used and all. So here uh, I have connected to the serial line port here through this RJ45 connector. So here to here I have connected. So this is USB to RS485 converter. This you will get easily in any electronic shop. So here we need to use only two wires. Okay, so here also I have used only two wires, one is red and one is green. So the pin configuration is here. If you go to the manual here, so pin number 4 and 5 I have to use from this connector, pin number 4 and 5 I have to use. So pin number 4 will be for uh, D1, and pin number 5 will be for D0. Here you can see pin number 4 will be for D1 and pin number 5 will be for D0. So pin number 4 you have to connect to this one, the D positive. So it will be mentioned on this D positive, the red cable. So D positive or A, and pin number 5 you have to connect to the D negative here. So then you just need to connect to the your uh, system, and you will in your device manager the port will be detect. This port you have to use. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So by doing this you can able to easily communicate through the modbus serial. Okay, thank you.